Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be trying some small letters and we'll be trying in cursive. So let's get started. In this example we'll be trying some small letters and we'll be using a graph paper. So on the graph we'll be writing those small letters using a zig calligraphy pen with 2 mm nib. So in the first attempt we'll be trying letters and we'll take one box I mean 5 small boxes as the height of each letter. So the descenders will be going below the line and the ascenders, including the ascenders, will be within the box of 5 small boxes, and it will be considered as one box as a height of each letter. So as an example, the letter B has not been used till the exact size or the height, so we try to write again the B using the same one box or 5 small boxes of height. Similar to letter B, we can write D as well, like with the exact height as we have tried other letters. So let's see. Now we'll try to write the rest of the letters and using the same height of one box, one bigger box, and which will have 5 smaller boxes of height. And in this example or the line, we'll be writing maximum letters which will be without any ascenders. So example letters like M and O, so they are not having the ascenders, so we will be writing them within 3 small boxes, or the height of the letters which are not having any ascenders will be within the 3 boxes only, 3 smaller boxes. The example I have used chisel shaped marker pen or sketch pen, but this formula of height or any style we can try with a normal pencil or a normal pen, but the formula or the style should be maintained for all the letters. As we have decided that the ascender part will be 5 boxes in height, but the T, the letter small t, will not be the case because the height of the T will be a bit smaller than the exact ascender size. So it should have touched the 5 boxes height, but it should be lesser than that. So the height of the smaller T is only 4 boxes from the baseline. And we try to write same small cases letters using a different pen or nib. So let's see how we can do that. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel, and thank you very much for watching.